before you tear out those old cabinets, you got to watch this video. You could save yourself thousands of dollars. Why am I tearing out these cabinets? These ugly old wooden cabinets and replacing them with white new ones. Let me tell you why you may not want to do that. You don't want to do that. In my opinion, you do not want to do that. Please watch this video. Even with this ugliness, these cabinets are solid wood. These are solid wood frames. Even these panel inserts, those are solid wood, or they're veneered over plywood, not particle board. Wooden frames, nice wooden frames. And look at this, yeah, this is peeling up, but it can be glued or tacked down. This is actually a plywood panel. It's not particle board. These are solid wood. Now these can be refinished. A lot of people are refinishing. They can be washed, sanded, and the wood grain, if you don't like the wood grain, that even can be filled. There's processes to fill the wood grain so you don't see that showing through the paint. But I would highly recommend painting cabinets rather than buying new ones. When you buy new cabinets, what you are getting is particle board. If you go and buy the I like that price, you're getting particle board. Even the drawer quality, these are particle board built boxes with a wood frame, but you won't get that today. You won't get the wood front, which is durable, much more durable. You will get particle board, wallpapered particle board. It might as well be wallpapered. They call it veneered, but it chips, it flakes, it swells. MDF is a terrible product. These hinges are much better quality than what they're selling today. Stronger. Keep your old cabinet. You keep your old cabinets. Get a quote. Get a quote from some painters. A nice, reliable painter with years of experience. Do your research. There's great cabinet finishes. Some of these paints now, emerald urethane. There's better cabinets paints than even that. Sherwin-Williams emerald urethane can put a nice solid finish on your cabinets, and you'll get years and years out of that. Where these particle board, this new particle board junk they're selling, that's going to be falling apart in 5 years. Trust me, in 5 years. If anybody out there, if you got cabinets, if you went that low route and you bought cheap cabinets at the big box store, tell me 5 years later if they're not falling apart. Especially if you have children, pets, they won't take the abuse like the old hardwood will. So hey, think twice before you do it, folks. I won't make a long-winded video here. Just wanted to put a warning out there. I see way too many people doing this. They're tearing out better quality, even with your doors, your pre-hung doors and such. You're buying MDF doors, you're buying particle board and glue doors, but you're tearing out old door slabs that were made from either plywood or real wood frames. You're tearing out better quality to put back lesser quality. Even though it's new and looks good for a minute, it's not going to last. So think twice before buying the low price. You might be better off to move up a level. Some companies offer a level, or if you go with a good cabinet manufacturing company, they will offer you different lines. Don't buy the bottom line. It's not a good value. All right, man. Join us at Keep It a Secret Home and Garden, and check out some of my collaborations. I have one here. Here's one of my most recent collaborations. This cordless chainsaw you can get for under $100. For under $100, shipping and all. I'll put a discount code in the box where you can purchase this. But I noticed at the big box store, DeWalt sells one of these for $250. But check out my mini chainsaw. I'll link the other video back to this where you can buy this chainsaw. Awesome. Tree pruner, cutting up a little firewood. It'll cut up to like a 3-inch log. Nice, I love it.
Please join us. Keep it a secret, but go tell a friend. Jack and Bubba are sharing videos around the world.